Okay. Oh, yay. Yeah, so I got a diamond today on Animal Jam, yay. Haven't been on for a while, so... Well, okay, there's this. How about this? Well, I want a hyena so bad. I bet we all do. Okay. Well... this is personal stuff. I should probably close that. Sorry. It's gonna be shown by the whole world. I don't want the whole world to know that, someone messed up, you know? Anyway. That never happened. Okay. Oh yes, I'm a fox. I don't want to be a fox. I finally got a raccoon tail. And I'm so obsessed that it got like this. Oh, it's kind of like, well, I got Mackenzie for the Glaceon in my Eevee fanfiction, because she's the meanest one. Does that make sense? Well, anyway. She's a real life, well, was friend. Sorry, it's kind of weird stuff to talk about. Anyway, I'm gonna look at the camera, but sorry. Kinda, yeah. I'll be right back. Well, I am back. Okay, back to Animal Jam now. We are at a better den. This den's much better than the one I just show you. I'll give you a den tour, I guess. Have you ever been on in a while? Oh yeah. Oh, look at my tail. Whoa, I'm black in nature. Oh yeah. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, computers are usually slow. I'm really glad it's not so slow today. Because it'd be very embarrassing when it stops. Yeah, that's really embarrassing. Anyway, to the dungeon. Don't you see how many diamonds I have? 6. Ah! Oh, hey there, little flowers. Ah, creepy flowers. Okay. I never got a reply from that. Oh, here's my toilet. Here's my toilet. And then here's my shower. I'll take a shower real quick. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Gotta take a shower. Everyone has to do it sometime. okay, tummy, I guess, and it won't let me say poop. Yeah. That's natural. Anyway. So. Oh, yeah. These things. I want to show you all my stuff. Clothes. Yeah. Oh, I'm full of stuff. I might give people. I'm not giving you money unless you've got a headdress. I mean, I know it's a really bad thing, but I have to give a wonderful headdress. I just have a little headdress, but you know how I am with that and stuff. Not everyone is with that, but I do have a head feather. That's the closest thing I have. Head feather.
You still have milk there?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, we only have a little bit here.
Want some light on?
No. Anyway, sorry about that. Oh, okay. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen.
I got chocolate graham crackers for my
Yes, we all care about chocolate graham crackers and the cookie jars. That's what someone just told me. Okay. And I'm not giving my negative angel money to everyone. But if you can send me raccoon tails, that would be awesome, but you probably won't. I mean, I'm not forcing you to. I don't want to feel like I don't want you to feel like I'm mean. I just really like raccoon tails. I mean, I already got one, but I had to give someone back to someone anyway. I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna show you something. Okay. It's really weird. Like, if you look at the diamonds when you first walk in, just look at the diamonds on the floor when you first walk in. It's really creepy. It's really weird. This is taking a while. Yeah, I'm at my grandma's, so I have to use my mom's computer because I can't use hers because it doesn't work on hers. Like it. Oh, so did you see the diamonds? We're here now. But did you see the diamonds? They turned green. They were green, then they turned blue. I wonder if that's some kind of glitch, like it can give you something, or if it's just a bug in the Animal Jam. Whatever. Oh my gosh, I want a hyena. Give me 4 diamonds. I can't get 4 diamonds though. Anyway, just have to be patient. Oh, okay. What's happening? Oh, I didn't actually click on that. But, yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh my friend, gosh. No, wait. This is not a friend. Not a friend. I think they just wanted to add me as a friend because they wanted to get me in trouble because they were yelling at us and were trying to break the ice and not sugar, you know. What's going on? Oh, what? Okay. And not sugar, and so I reported them because they're being mean. Well, they said to friend me after that. I think they're just reporting me every day. So, yeah. And Hartley 57401. She is so mean. Very mean. Now, this is really boring. You might want to wait. It's probably going to go up to like 14 minutes. Anyway, my favorite number is 13, so it's probably going to go up to 15 minutes, you know. So, oh, I've already got everything here, so who cares? Well, how many drinks do I have? 133. That's poopy. Well, I'm going to show you a few skins that will definitely get you the most gems. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. I'm sorry. I'm probably going underwater now. Well, I guess I'll show you the game next time. Anyway, but I do have something special for you guys. Something I think you will really like. Yeah. Oh, don't be afraid. You shouldn't be afraid. It's funny. Oh, this is funny. Do you know I'm recording? People better start dancing. Anyway. I bet she's not. Anyway, the music's going crazy. I almost say crazy, I hate that word. Anyway, so, as I was saying, I got something that I think you'll all like.